Ever wondered how you can cultivate a thriving garden in a small space? The secret lies in container gardening. This gardening method is perfect for small spaces, and its versatility is unmatched. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny balcony, container gardening allows you to exercise your green thumb. The first step to successful container gardening is choosing the right containers. Consider the plant's mature size and watering needs. For instance, larger plants need roomy containers, while moisture-loving species require non-porous materials. Remember, the container you choose can make or break your gardening success. Once you've chosen your containers, the next step is to select suitable plants. Consider plants that thrive in containers, keeping in mind their light and water needs. Remember, the right plants can transform your container garden from ordinary to extraordinary. Now that you have your containers and plants, it's time to get planting. Start by adding soil, then your chosen plant. Water regularly, feed with a balanced fertilizer, and prune as needed to keep plants healthy. With the right care, your container garden will be a vibrant addition to your home. Container gardening is a simple and rewarding way to green your space. Remember, choose the right containers, select suitable plants, and maintain them well. Enjoy the joy of watching your plants grow and thrive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.